Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to quickly make reusable template files in Affinity Designer 1.8. This should also work in Affinity Photo and Affinity Publisher. So as a quick example, I have this video thumbnail image that I want to save as a template. To do that, just go to the File menu and Export as Template. Give it a name and make careful note of the folder that you're saving it into and hit Save. And now when you want to create a new file based off that template, you can just create a new file. Make sure you're on the template section. Go to add a folder and make sure you're adding the folder that you saved the template into. Hit choose, and now your template should be available for you to select. Hit create, and now you have a new file based off the template that you can easily configure. So for example, I can get rid of this background image, bring a new one in, give this a new name, and there you go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.